Welcome back to my blog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinel Blog. For today's blog, it's dinner time. We went to Amis Market, carry out for dinner tonight. So we have potato barbecue in there, and roast beef sandwich, and half rack of ribs barbecue, back ribs barbecue, right there. It's still hot, so right there, and sweet sauce right here, and we have a coconut custard for dessert as well. Good for two people, me and my husband, and strawberry, have a strawberry pie right there. And of course, we have coconut custard right here. Coconut custard is pressed from Amis Market for dessert or breakfast for later. And we have, of course, pizza bread. We have pizza bread as well. Pizza bread right here is my favorite. Pizza bread, you toast it, put peanut butter for breakfast, is yummy and delicious. So that's it. Enjoy, and let's eat, everyone. God bless. And it's Thursday. It's almost weekend. Have a good weekend to you all. Is enjoy the rest of your day. It's raining and thunderstorm on and up, so please be careful where you're going. Be safe, and safe driving. Go home safe, and be careful where you're going and to work or home, so please be careful. So they have lightning, thunderstorm, and heavy rain on and off. So that's it. Enjoy and God bless. So sa mga kayo naroon ng mundo, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Is time check is 6:20 at night here in Maryland, USA. And the PI time is 6:20 a.m. in there, and afternoon somewhere in UK. Wherever you are, stay safe as always. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And also mega loud shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Shout out to you all, and wherever you are, stay safe as always. Thank you and God bless. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. So long, everyone, and like and share and subscribe. Please help me to support my YouTube channel to make it big by subscribing, like, and share. And thanks, everyone. God bless you all. Love you guys, and see you again soon for the next vlog. So long, and God bless you all. Thank you, and see you again soon for the next vlog. God bless.